Yes. Oh. Cause I hate VTech toys, but I got. I sure gonna.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
I turned it off now. Robbie called Mom.
Whoa!
Now I got it away. Until I found what's this? What's this? Hidden what? Oh, I knew what that came from. A broken Lightning McQueen, I think. God. Cause I've got another type of those. No steering wheel. 2018. And that is 2018 Mattel. So this is 2018 engineering. 2018 engineering. Race and Go Lightning McQueen. This was just like the spider Lightning McQueen from one of Jackson Ross's Back's videos. Jackson Ross is Back's videos, but do not watch them. They're very bad. But this is the one without the spinner. It was a Go boot. It was a Go bootleg Spider-Man Lightning McQueen. And they sure have an old wheel off of a big Lightning McQueen. Lightning McQueen does not have this much of a size to wheels. It falls over easily and everything about it. That's the silly sausage POV. I just got this Lightning McQueen when I like Lightning McQueen because I have a Samsung Kid screen tablet with a Cars Free Driven to Win face. Cause that's when I liked Lightning McQueen. That's when it's bought. Here's the startup screen, powered by Android, and then here's its main scene. There it is. So here I've even got another. I've got that tablet, which is actually updating. So we have a not that old green tablet with the green cover over it. The other one did not have a green cover over it.
Take his thingy. Sir Cooper wants. Or you can take it and give Cooper Dada's phone.
No, it's just.
What?
I'm just showing.
What did you say?
In the face.
No, but what did you say to me?
I'm trying to just.
I could have heard you say yes.
I'm trying to just show the face screen.
That's uncomfortable. Let us help with Leon's great Canadian super sale. Unwind on our sofas, now up to 50% off. Plus, pay absolutely nothing for 2 years. Leon's, now that's comfortable.
Totally. Yeah, so how about you go and give Dad my phone, and you can charge that so that Cooper has something to play with.
With their house currently
It's
worth
going.
£575,000, over 200 grand more than they paid, Graham and Nada are able to stretch their listed budget to a staggering
It's going.
900 grand. So I'll be
That screen.
family-friendly layout.
Uh-oh. 2%. We gotta charge it. Well, it's so tricky to plug it in, though. But don't beg me about that. Daddy's helping me. See, it's charging. With 1% of a charging screen. Oh, this is Silly Sausage video. Thanks for watching my channel.